Makeup bag sizes. Large, 12x8x4.5, medium, 11x7x2.5, and small, 9x5x3.5 inches. The bottom part is black, solid, and stiff to support up to 10 pounds of products. Washable. Carefully designed multi-purpose travel bag to be used as makeup cosmetics organzier. Makeup bags, toiletry travel bag, jewelry holder, travel pouch, packing envelopes. The bags are washable and can be kept tidy and clean for a long period of time. This multi-purpose set contains 3 rectangular prism compartments with 3 dimensions. Made a black matte mesh making them see-through and allows for breathability. The flexible and durable mesh is chosen to keep these bags light-weighted. Each compartment is single-zipped all around the bag. The top part is not completely separable, which eliminates chances of losing it. Since the top part of each compartment can be moved completely out of way, it allows for easy access to items inside. The sliders are designed at a standard size, not too small or too large, making it convenience for one to easily grab and slide zips open or close. It is a great organizer for either travel time or just to manage items in the drawer. These PETA-friendly bags offer the most amount of space when needed, and the flexible mesh can be folded to adjust the size and shape. The bottom part is black, solid, and stiff to support up to 10 pounds. These compartments can be placed inside each other for easy storage. They are washable and one can keep them tidy for a long period of time. Top reviews from the United States. Great bags, similar to a Zuka pouch. These bags worked perfectly for what I needed them for. I have a makeup case by Camire that came with pouches, but I needed additional pouches. These are very similar to a Zuka or Camire pouch, with the exception that they are holey. For a lack of better terminology,